Good morning, guys. We are going to Chittagong. This is the railway station. It's so crowded, and there is a lot of people waiting for the train. It's a local train and the local station. So we are going Penny to Chittagong.
My parents and siblings, they are waiting for the train also, because our train will become 12 p.m. and we are waiting on the station, and there is a lot of people. They will go another place by the train. So this train, it will be go in Dhaka. It's come from the Chittagong. So this is not our train. Our train is next train. So there is a lot of children walking in a railway station, and they're selling fresh guava with salt and red chili powder. So this boy, he is looking for the customer, and we are looking for the fresh guava also. So the one packet, the price is 10 Bangladeshi taka, that means 10 USD cent. So yeah, we buy the fresh guava from him, and it was really delicious with salt and the red chili powder. This child, he earned money from selling the guava, and his family depend on him, and he has a mother, he has siblings also. So he earned money for the family, and his family depend on his income. So still we are waiting for our train. The train is not yet came. My sister, she is very happy. She's waiting for the train.
So this is Penny railway station, and we are waiting for our train. Train will become around 10 minutes. Yeah. And it's a rainy day. It's a rain. Yeah. I believe that our train is coming. Yes. The train come from there. And the station is very crowded. There are a lot of people waiting for. Sorry.
Chittagong.
Our train is coming, and my sister, she is waiting more than 1 hour in railway station because we are really excited to go in Chittagong by the train. And
the train was late. Our train supposed to be 12 o'clock, but the train come 12:20. That means it's 20 minutes late, and it will be stop, and we have to be entry inside, and we have to be take our seat.
Finally we find our seat. Aznar, she is very happy because first time she is traveling in Chittagong with the train. Yeah.
In naturally, Bangladesh is very beautiful country because it has lot of green. You see, there is a lot of green, there is a lot of tree, there is a lot of pure oxygen, and Bangladesh has mountain, sea, also the river. More than 160 million people live here in Bangladesh, and it's really beautiful country. There is a lot of tourist spot, tourist place. Especially Chittagong division has Cox's Bazar. So Cox's Bazar is the longest sea beach in the world, 120 kilometers long, and it has Bandarban, it has Khagrachuri, it has Chittagong district also. In Chittagong division, most of the places are very beautiful. All is green, sea, mountain, everything is here in Chittagong division. From Feni railway station to Chittagong railway station, it's take 1 hour and 25 minutes, and we already arrive in Chittagong station.
Hello.
So yeah, we already reached at Chittagong railway station, and we are going to another place where she is my mother and sister.
So we took taxi from Chittagong railway station to Anwara. So at first we will go Anwara. There is my uncle house, and after that we will go Chittagong sea beach, is Potenga sea beach. So my father, he want to buy some fresh fruits for my uncle family. So this is the store that we are going to buy the fresh fruits, and it's all the all the fruits is so fresh. And
This is fresh grapes. It's $5 per kg.
so in Bangladesh now is a rainy season. It's 1st of the July. It's rainy season. There is a lot of rain, and last 3 days is continue rain, non-stop rain. So this is Chittagong city. You can see a lot of people, the walking, the running because of the rain. So this is Chittagong Potenga Sea Beach. The Chittagong Potenga Sea Beach is most popular place for the tourists, and there are a lot of tourists come in Chittagong Sea Beach. So it's really amazing. You can see there is a lot of sheep, and the people are working, people enjoying with the family. We are really happy to come here because it's really a nice place. You can spend the time with the family, a friend, and the relative. There is a lot of cameramen. They are ready to take your picture, and there is a toys. You can buy the toys for the children, for the child. There is a lot of food. There is a lot of street food. We call it jarmuri. There is a flower also. So this is Chittagong Cornofuli Tunnel. It's a world the third large tunnel. It's under the river. Cornofuli Tunnel is the first South Asian tunnel. It's totally under the river.